Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video will be on ticker symbol BBIO, which is for Bridge Biopharma. And if you see the chart, this is really nice because if you look at last Friday's chart, it was up by 15%. If you look at last 5 days charts, it has been moving really nicely. And we have been doing swing trade and day trade each and every day for this particular one, and it did not disappointed us because that thing is going on a nice trend. So in this particular video, I'll talk about the support, resistance, and is there any good opportunity for making more money, at the same time some other information. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. At the same time, I have a Patreon community. Join my Patreon, get access to my Discord so that you can get my dated swing trade and option alert. Do not forget we have been making money on BBIO almost every day for day traders, even for swing traders. Give a try. If no Discord, you are also welcome to join my YouTube community. So let's talk about the stock now. I also have a Twitter. If you want, you can always follow. So one very important thing before I talk about anything, you can look at the chart that stock was around $40. Something happened from 40, it came back to $11-12 range. Yes, it has been going higher, but there is a massive drop. And if this is the first time, so the problem or the news was that the tumble on the cardio myopathy candidate failure. So anyway, so there was a like a study, right? And that candidate failed to meet the study's primary endpoint of improvement. Anyway, that was the study, and the study result was not good. That's the easy thing, right? And you can see big drop, right? Big drop from 40, it came to 10. Now it is going back up. But few important thing, because it has a price target around 40, 80, 85, so many price targets, and we played with the news because when this thing dropped, then JP Morgan, I think JP Morgan, yes, and Morgan Stanley, I think they changed their price target, but all of them was like 18, 85, 25, this kind of thing. So just based on the news, we also played. So now if you see the latest price target, still it has a strong buy, and you see the big names here, right? These are the big names. They have an average price target of 27.1 with a high of 36 and a low of 17, and the current price is 16-17 in this area. Don't forget it came to $11-12 area. Now this thing is going higher. So we will talk more about the price, but before that, few other things. If you look at last Friday's chart, the average volume is 7 million, but last Friday, was it Friday? Yes, it was Friday. So the volume was 18.5 million, meaning that it was almost like 2.5 times more volume came last Friday. In terms of daily volume, you can see a big drop. It makes sense, a big drop. Then after that, daily volumes are really good. If you want to see a full chart, I want to show you the full chart here for last 1 month. Let's have a look on the volume side. Look at the volume side. No volume, nothing. Then December 27th, back to back 2 big days of volume, but still the volume is really high. So that is a good thing because people are picking this. If you go to the option side, I will also talk, but in terms of short interest as per Fintel, this is only 17.3%. The dark pool short interest is 45%, and it also showing there are some shares available to short. Not very much, but still there is some shares available to short. So what it did when it came, we played with the news, right? So let's have a look. So that was the area, I would say around 36.3. It was resting on 36.3, right? So what happened after the news? It dropped below. So you are looking at a daily chart, and you can see so many lines here. I'm going to hide it. But what happened? What happened? Very nice to see that each and every day it has been making higher lows. So this is the uptrend first of all, right? So it is making a nice recovery. And also, if I go from these to the regular candles, you will see the big gap I'm talking about. You see here, from here, a big gap. Some people say stock, they love to, they tend to fill up the gap. I'm not saying it will fill the gap and go back to 40 right away, because that was a study result, it was not good. Maybe it will go 18, 20, I don't know. But there was a nice gap. It was an overreaction, and day by day, you see, for 4 days actually, green, right? Green. So this is really nice. If I go from a daily to a weekly chart, you can see the same thing. Nice volume, and this thing is sitting here. So let's have a look at a better closer look. So this is a 1 hour chart. Maybe not 1 hour because there are too many candles. So let's go back to a 2 hour chart. What I'm doing, yeah, this is the place I'm looking at. Maybe 1 hour is enough. 1 hour, let's talk about 30 minutes. Yeah. So I'm going to turn on the layers because I was looking at it. Why I love this? Because the first time it had a double bottom. Let me zoom. If you like technicals, you can have a look. It had a double bottom here, this line 11.2 area, and there was a resistance around 12. So the first morning when pre-market it went over 12, then we came up with our first alert that okay, we want to get in. You can see it came below, it bounced from 12, and since then it has been going higher. Then again you see a resistance around 13.6, then came below, again found a support 12.6, again it broke the resistance, it went higher. Then I had two blue lines, one was around 14.3, one was around 14.8. Those were for the day trades, but you can see it went up, came down, again hit the resistance, came down. But the last day, nice 30-minute candle, right? Nice volume. So we entered again for a day trade for 14.3 area, and you can see this went up, up, up. Then the black line, it is coming from here, right? This is the previous high. It was pre-market high, right? So it broke through that line 16 area. Again, some people entered at 16, and this is what is happening. Now we have a 17 resistance. Can we go more than that? That's the thing, right? So as per Nasdaq, the lowest price target is 17. And do not forget, it has been moving up for last 4 days. So if it comes down, it is not entirely bad or destroying everything. It might have a pullback. Maybe it will have a pullback to 16, or who knows, 14.5. But the main picture, if you look at the chart, this is a uptrend. I will just draw a few more lines. You see the line? See the line? Because I love technical. See the line? This is the trend, right? Just moving nicely, just coming here, 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 here. So it might have a pullback, and if there is nice volume, then it might go up. So we will see. But I wanted to bring this to your attention because I was kind of busy during the holiday period. Even though over the Discord we were trading this particular one, even on my Twitter page I was alerting people. But I think this is a nice time to make a video because this thing is looking nice. It might have a pullback. The most important thing is the black line here, and I will just extend it one more time, because if we can come and retest 16 area and bounce back, that will be really nice. We will see. And on the upper side you will see a big gap right from here to here. I'm not expecting we will go back to 40, but at least like if we go to, let's say, 20, 21, almost like 45 to 50% correction, right? So we will see, but just wanted to bring this to your attention. One more thing, few members, they also played call option because it was cheaper, because it was beaten down a lot. So let's have a call option. So if you buy a call option for 17.5, your break even is 1.3. So basically your premium is 1.3, so your break even will be 18.8, $19. You can also play with call option, get in, get out. Look at those people, they got 80% up last Friday, and I know some people, they already played it. So not saying just get in right away, but whenever a stock is beaten down that much, normally there is a bounce. So it's nice to play. We also recently played ALLK. So let me show you the chart. Same thing, it was around 80. From 80 it came all the way, let me see, to 8.5. So this is the other one we played. Still this thing is holding up for 9.8 area. We will see, but this video is not about ALLK, but keep that in mind. This is another one. From 80 this thing came to $8, right? So anyway, let me know your thoughts on ticker symbol, what's the one? Yeah, so let me know your thoughts on ticker symbol BBIO. I'm sorry, I'm mixing up. I still in my holiday mood, so I want to hear. Did anyone traded this particular one? Write in the comment section. Like this particular video. Subscribe my channel at the same time. If you want, join my community and let's make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.